Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining site. Today we'll explain a site of investment. Like you see, this is the home page of the site. Watch carefully. I will make a deposit in this site and see how it's work. The link will be in description. Also the link of all mining coin in Telegram. You must join all mining coin in Telegram and start mining like Notcoin. Don't miss like Notcoin. This is the home page of our site. You must register with my link to get referral code. It's not accepted without not referral code. Also you can download their app at investment at your own risk, like shown below. How it's work, it's very simple. This is the home page. Here you can recharge your account with money. Here withrow, like you see here, teams, here activities. We go to quantify. It gives you every day two mission. When you deposit in the site, it gives you to the every day two mission to complete. You click here and you complete your missions here. You click in quantify and you get your mission here. There is many option. There is robot one for 15 USDT for $15 with a percentage of my earning from 13% to 13-16%. This is robot 2 for 100 USDT. This robot 3 for 215 USDT. For robot 2 there is for 14% every day, 2 tasks. This for $215 for 15 percentage, like you see. For every one there is percentage of earning. You can choose one of them and deposit at your own risk. Always it's my personal experience to do that, but I see many proof of payment of this site. Let's see how it's work. It's very simple. I will choose robot one for $15. I click here, like you see. We will get our recharge address. It must be TRC20 USDT TRC20, like you see. It's TRC20. We copy our address. I will go now to my Binance and deposit in the site, like you see. Now we will make a withrow deposit in our site. We go to our founding. There is overview. They have USDT here. I will make a deposit. I have a bad connection. USDT. We choose TRC20, Tron TRC20. I will make a deposit and return. We go to spot wallet. I use Binance. Now we make a withdraw, send via crypto network. We will choose TRC20. TRC20, like that. We put the address. We put 15. We'll receive amount for 14. We put 6. We make a withdraw. confirm. It's live deposit. Like you see, I make a withdraw now. Make a deposit in the site. Now we will see our Robot 1. The link will be in the description. You can invest in any amount that you want at your own risk. We wait until it's complete. Just wait. Just waiting until it's complete. We'll get our money in our site and activate Robot 1. Let's see. Confirm. It's not yet in the site. Take some time. Just wait. Like you see, we receive our $15 here. Quantify account is 15. If we see here, like you see, details, I received my amount. Like you see, we go to VIP1 to a look. Like you see, current level is 1. It's Robot 1. Now we do the mission. Like you see, I have 2 missions. We click, we wait. Like you see, 1 USDT. We complete the second mission. For $15, we get $2 daily. Like you see, I have $2. Like you see, today earning $2, daily earning $2. Let's see how it's withdraw. Withdraw limit range is $2. If we go to our Binance, we try to withdraw now. Deposit crypto, we choose USDT, TRC20 always. Tron TRC20. We return to our site. We put our TRC20. We put 2. Like you see, we confirm. Wait some minute to get our like you see withdrawal success. We go to me and see withdraw. Like you see, Profit assist is $2. I make withrow, live withrow now, shown below. Daily 2 mission. Like we see, withdrawal deduction is $2. Daily mission 2 mission. If you want to invest more, you can do for 100 USDT or 215 USDT as you want to unlock your VIP, or for $615 to unlock your VIP. It's live. Like you see, I received my payment. We go to our Binance. We see our Binance. This is withdraw successfully. It's 415. We see deposit. Like you see, this is $2. Like you see, $2 received in my wallet. At the same time, I deposit. Like you see, 100% working platform. The link will be in description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.